Armadillo eggs, what the heck are they? Armadillo didn't have an egg and we're not gonna cook it on the Blackstone, but we are gonna take a jalapeno and we're gonna core it out. We're gonna put some dang cream cheese in it. We're gonna put sausage on it. We're gonna put bacon on it and we're gonna smoke it. God almighty, woo-hoo! Jacob, you don't like bacon, but you're gonna like this, son. I'm gonna tell you that. Hey, let's get started, y'all. We're gonna get our Blackstone pre-warmed, 250 degrees. I always overshoot that darn thing. Jacob's always like, you overshoot it every time. And I do it on purpose. That's what I do. We're getting that pre-warmed. The pellets of choice is like a hardwood pellet. I think it's got maple. It's a Bear Mountain brand. It's got oak, maple, hickory, something like that. So, yeah. Focus your attention down here. Let's get these jalapenos prepped. I'm gonna slice the tops off each one of these. What I like about the Armadillo eggs is you don't have to, like on a popper, you gotta I like to try to leave them whole. And so you're trying to, run all the stuff out. The good thing about these, you just slice the tops off and take you a coring tool. I use these two right here, a little bit different. This one's got like a little twirly. This one's a little bit more, it's kind of straight. I like them both, they do really well because you just kind of bring it in and move it around like that right there. And that's it right there. The cool thing is it's got, I don't know if you can see it or not, it's almost like a peeler, like a vegetable peeler. And you just run that around your jalapeno and it gets all those veins, that stuff where the hotness lives, okay, where the heat lives. So I'm gonna finish coring the rest of these right here out and I'm gonna come right back, all right now? Y'all come back now, you hear? You hear? You hear that, Jeff? Got our cored jalapenos. If you wanna wash these out, you can. I don't. And what I'll do is I'll just take a little bit of cream cheese. Now, this right here, I'll just use my hands. Feel free to put something else in there. You can do some brisket, some more cheese, like shredded cheese. Sky's the limit here of what you can stuff in here first. But, for a nice, simple, little game day, little appetizer, shoot, this right here is plenty. Everybody's gonna be old Jimmy. He's gonna be on the dang couch eating these dang armadillo eggs thinking, what in the world is this flavor explosion in my mouth? So yeah, whoop, that thing came out. Get in there, get in there. All right, here we go. Sometimes your tools are your hands and they are the best thing because God gave them to you. Best tool ever. Hashtag. All right, there we go. Part 3, gotta wrap this. Oh, you know what I forgot? Forgot bacon. Got the bacon in there. I'll get it. I might do one without bacon because y'all know what? Jacob, he don't like bacon. If you didn't know. If you don't know, now you know. Got some old pork sausage. My buddies over at Colonial Meats, they make this sausage in-house by hand. I'm gonna take a nice little pat. This takes quite a bit of sausage, and that's okay. I like sausage. Jacob likes sausage, right, Jacob? Hopefully he does because, well, I don't know what he'd have for breakfast. So I like to kind of form my sausage around the jalapeno first, and then I kind of bring in another little small, put that over the top, kind of like the cap. And this is why it's kind of called armadillo egg. Kind of resembles an egg once you get the sausage all formed around it. Look at that little pretty thing. Look at that little package, little egg. Oh, that was so cute. That was so cute. So I'm gonna wrap the rest of these in sausage. Might make another one or two. I don't know. I got 2 pounds of sausage. I think 1 pound kind of does 3 or 4 jalapenos. Depends on how big your jalapenos are. So I'm gonna wrap the rest of these and I'll tell you exactly what I got going on when I come right back. All right, well, there we go. Jacob brought up a good point. The prep for these are kind of time consuming. And I don't know why I put that there. It's a little time consuming. So you might want to, especially like game days on Saturday or Sunday, prep them the night before and have these suckers ready for the smoker. Because, the prep plus the cook time on these Gonna be about 2 hours. And you know, we got the smoker on 250. And so, you know, you wanna make sure you allow plenty of time. So I recommend doing this well ahead of time. Little trick with bacon. Roll it up. I like to slice the packaging and then give it a little roll, and it'll come off way easier for you whenever you're wrapping stuff, okay? So, alrighty. I'll take 1 piece of bacon. Each armadillo egg might take about 1 to 2 pieces, actually not 1 to 2, 2 to 3 pieces of bacon. I'm gonna give you another little tip. Take your bacon, stretch it a little bit. See that right there? It'll go a little farther. Plus, you know, some of these bacon pieces might be a little thicker. This helps just kind of stretch things out, gets it a lot thinner. It'll cook faster, but also you don't have to use as much bacon. So it's gonna come in. I like to come on to the bottom and that tip, and then I kind of tuck it in right there, and then I just start rolling it out. All right, there we go. And then, you know, it'll kind of start seizing up and coming around that sausage. This piece right here is janky, man. The world. Dang, what's up with this bacon, man? And we're gonna stretch it out. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen, but it does. It does. Things happen. All right, there we go. And we're gonna put that around there. You know what? We got this 1 piece there. There we go. Look at that little package right there. All right. I'm going to roll the rest of these. We're gonna come right back to you. Okay, we're gonna show you what we're gonna do next. Because there's another little piece to this puzzle. I'll tuck that in right there like a nice little present, and there you have it. Bacon wrapped around the armadillo egg. Now, Jacob brought another good point. Jacob's just like fire today. He's like, why don't you season the sausage? And you can, if you want to. If you want to do like a brown sugar, some kind of sweet kind of rub, or you want to do your barbecue rub, you can. Perfectly fine. I usually don't. I usually just season the bacon where it's wrapped, the bacon side. So, again, totally up to you how you want to do it. But yeah. Now that we have these wrapped, we're going to season these up. I'm using some of this classic barbecue rub from Full Bore Barbecue. I cooked with this guy over in Mooresville. I think he's out of Tennessee. He gave me a bottle of his rub. It says award-winning. Smells excellent. Smells amazing. So I'm going to use that. And then we also have another little secret thing we're going to do to these later on. So, you know, you just want to sit there, you want to sit tight, you want to watch this whole video, okay? Okay? All right. This has got some sugar in it. It's going to caramelize really well with this bacon. It's going to be good. It's going to be some good groceries. Let's take these suckers over to the smoker. I'll see you there, all right? Let's go. One little tip, get you some, this is actually a pizza tray. It really helps getting stuff off the smoker really easily, or like a baking rack, that kind of thing. But yeah, goes onto the smoker really, really easily. 250 degrees, like I said, about 2 hours.
2 hours later.
Are you ready to get saucy? Well, we're going to. We are going to, these armadillo eggs, they're very, very close to being done. I'm gonna pull those off. I'm gonna take a little bit of this. This is this Full Bore from Full Bore Barbecue. Somebody's calling me. A guy named Chad. I'm gonna pour just a little bit of this sauce on each one of these. I'll take a nice little brush. You take your toothbrush, take your spouse's toothbrush and paint it on here. And we're just looking to layer the flavors here. And again, we're only about 15 minutes from this being done. There we go. I know what y'all see. Y'all see those suckers right there? Woohoo! There's another video coming. Armadillo eggs getting saucy, about 15 minutes. Let's go grab these suckers. I'm ready to try them. Woo! Look at these beauties. Look at these beauties. Easy, easy. Look at these dudes right here, y'all. Dang it, boys and girls. Nice, glistening little beauties. Woohoo! Man, nice and hot. We're gonna give these a slice. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Sausage cooked perfectly. This is what I like to do whenever I got folks over. I like to kind of slice it, give this a try. Oh man. There's just a lot going on. The rub on the outside of that bacon probably could have went maybe another 15, 20, maybe 30 minutes actually, but I mean, it's cooked through. Bacon could have set just a little bit more, but look at that. Sausage is great. This is what happens when you eat it right off the pit. That cream cheese is still really wet, it's really soft, yeah. Man. Oh boy, I love that sausage from Colonial, good. The jalapeno still got a little bit of a crunch to it. This is so good. Y'all, fix this for your next get together, football party, whatever. They could even be a baby shower. Shoot, can you imagine old Lee, she's over there, they're having their little cocktails, mimosas, and you show up with these suckers right here at a baby shower? Huh. Girl, let me tell you. Armadillo Eggs is where it's at, y'all.